السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ یا ربی لک الحمد کما ینبغی لجلال وجهک وعظیم سلطانک اللہم ربنا لک الحمد بما خلقتنا ورزقتنا وہدیتنا وفرجت عنا اللہم لک الحمد بالاسلام ولک الحمد بالایمان ولک الحمد بالقرآن اما بعد فأعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم رب اشرح لی صدری ویسر لی امری واحلل عقدۃ من لسانی یفقہوا قولی ربنا زدنا علما اللہم فقہنا فی الدین اللہم انا نسألک علما نافعا وعملا متقبلا ورزقا طیبا اللہم ثبتنا عند الموت بلا الہ الا اللہ آمین یا رب العالمین ربی یسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخیر اللہم اجعل عملنا کلہ صالحا واجعلہ لوجہک خالصا ولا تجعل لأحد فیہ شیئا آمین یا رب العالمین. So inshallah we are going to review our فعل مضارع quiz. Okay, I need to put email. Okay, so the very first question was فعل مضارع مبنی like فعل ماضی. True or false?
False.
Yeah. So what is the right answer?
It can be marfu, mansoob, and majzoom.
Yes, right. So it's not fail. It's not like mabni, like fail madi. So this is false. Okay. Choose all correct options for fail mudariya. It has 3 modes: rafa, nasab, and jar. Right? Who gonna answer me?
It's rafa, nasab, and majzoom, right, Ustadha?
Yeah, it's jazm, right? It's not jar. Okay, it can be divided into 5 groups based on their i'rab. 5 groups?
3 groups.
3
Ustadha?
groups, yes.
Mabni ala fatha.
5 groups, yeah. One is mabni ala fatha. Yeah, go ahead, Mehreen.
Mabni ala fatha, mabni ala damma, and then we have the
No, just main grouping. How we fi'l mudariya can be divided into 3 groups. The main group, we are not talking about the weak verb yet, just the sahi salim verb. So we can divide fi'l mudariya into how many groups?
3 groups. Dhammatul Zaira group, Mabni group, and Nunul Arab group.
Yes, right. So the first one is all the sigas that ends on dhamma, right, Mehreen?
Ji, damma, and then we have the nun al i'rab, and then the feminine, the hunna and antunna.
Yeah, so this is the 3 grouping. Okay.
Ji.
So the regular sahi salim fail we are going to divide into 3. The one they end on dhamma, and that is huwa, hiya, anta, ana, and nahnu. They all end on dhamma, so that is one group. And the second group is they are ending on noon, bithubuti noon, right? So they are marfu bithubuti noon. And why we are doing this grouping? Based on how their marfu form look like, basically, right? So the one group is that their marfu form look like with the dhamma ending. The second one is with the noon ending. And the third one is Mabni group, which is Hunna and Antunna. We need to remember this grouping. It is very important. Fail Mudariya is marfu by Dhamma to Zahira in Huwa, Hiya, Anta, Ana, Nahnu, Siga.
Right.
So this is the
That's
right one.
correct. Yeah.
Fail Mudariya is marfu bisabuti noon in all siga that ends with noon, including Hunna and Antunna.
Wrong. That's wrong.
Right? So we cannot include Hunna and Antunna because they are not marfu bisabuti noon, rather they are mabni. It has three modes, marfu, mansub, and majzoom. So this is the
Correct.
right one. Hunna and Antunna, these two sigas in fi'l mudariya always mabni ala sukoon.
That is correct.
No.
Yes. Hunna and Antunna, these two sigas in fi'l mudariya always mabni ala sukoon.
No,
Yes.
only mabni, not spoon.
No, Ustad.
Nasara
Mabni-
yansurna.
Yes, sukun.
ये सुकून है उस्तादा with मबनी अला सुकून है.
Right? So Hunna and Antunna, these two sigas in fi'l mudariya always mabni ala sukoon.
Because noon is 5.
Not in noon is 5.
After that.
On the third root letter, Ustada, Sukun.
Yeah.
Mabni ala Sukun mean.
Yeah, so mabni ala sukoon is the right one. Right? Default state of fi'l mudariya is marfu.
Yes.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. Moving on, number 3. Yansuruna, choose all correct options about this fi'l mudariya. So we are talking about yansuruna over here. Noon at the end of this fi'l is called sign of mudariya.
Wrong. Ya is the sign of Madariya.
Exactly, right? So noon at the end is not sign of mudariya, rather it is a sign of basically being marfu, right? So this noon, bisabuti noon, is telling us that this is marfu. Okay, now this is labeled, number 2 I'm reading, this is labeled as mudariya marfu bisabuti noon because it belongs to a group called af'alul khamsa.
That is correct, right, Ustada? Yeah.
Yeah. Noon at the end of this fi'l is called noon of i'rab.
That is correct.
Ya in the beginning is sign of mudariya.
Yes.
Wow in the file is including that is marfu. Indicating that it is marfu.
No, that is the file.
But I got the wrong. Because wow is wawul jama and as a zamir is always marfu, right?
No, but wow is not telling us that this is marfu.
Noon is telling
No,
us.
it's hiding home inside, right? Wawul jama. When we are saying wawul jama.
No. Look at the word yansuruna. So if I ask you, I'm very being specific about this word only, right? So ya is the sign of mudariya. Noon is my first root letter. Sod is my second root letter. Ra is my third root letter. What is this wow telling me?
It's wawul jama.
Yeah, wawul jama, but is it telling us that this is marfu?
Yeah, when we are,
No. Marfu is only bisabuti noon. Noon is telling us that this is marfu. Wow is not telling us that this is marfu.
Wow is it zamir marfu?
Yeah, but I'm not talking about that right now. We are talking that is that wow telling us that this is marfu?
Afa, I think Afa was confusing with the fa'il and fail. Here is saying, talking about fail afa, the verb, right?
Yeah, wow
Yeah.
in okay,
Yeah.
you are reading this fail as a file.
Yeah, maybe afa was reading as a file, that's
Yeah,
why.
file.
Wow in the file is indicating
No, it doesn't make any
but
sense.
still it is wow does not tell us that this is marfu, because if I remove this noon, right, apa, if I remove this noon, is this fail marfu now?
I know Nunul I'rab is a marfu, but is a zamir, wow is marfu, is a zamir.
No, this was not talking about the mir. It was talking about in general yansuruna. I don't know if it is confusing for you.
No, no, Appa, it is just saying that is the wow indicating that this fail, this verb is marfu.
Yeah, right. So if I remove this noon, wow is still there, right? Wow is still there. Can you say that this fail is marfu now?
No, Nunul I'rab is, but I don't know. I was thinking about, I know
Yeah.
that Nunul is Nunul I'rab, but I check mark because of the zamir.
Yeah, so you confused it with okay.
Yeah.
So now see, now it is particularly asking about the mir muttasil file, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we need to read the question, because sometimes, yes, I am not thinking the way you guys are thinking, but we need to pay attention to the wording, what it is being asked, right? So now it is number 4 is saying in fail mudariya, these haruf can be the mir muttasil file. So now we are particularly talking about the inbuilt pronoun, right?
Yes, clear. Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, so alifu isnain. Can alifu isnain in fail mudariya can be damir muttasil file?
Yes.
Yes. Can Anita be damir muttasil file? All these hamza, noon, ya, and ta?
No.
No. Why? What are they?
Mudare
They're
side.
sign of mudare.
They are sign of mudariya. They are not damir muttasil file, right?
Mm.
Wawul jama.
Yes.
Yes.
Noonu niswa.
Yes.
Noonul irab.
No.
No.
Ya
मैंने
mukhatiba.
गलती मैंने किया यहाँ पर by mistake नून लहराब सोचा नहीं बल्कि नूने लहराब रख दिया मैंने
Yeah, see, my job was to trick you guys, right?
हाँ
So I did a good job here. Okay. Number 5. Yansuru, choose all correct option about it. So in Yansuru, the mir mustatir is wujuban.
No.
The mir
Jawazan.
mustatir is jawazan.
Yes.
Jawazan.
Fail mudariya marfu bidammatu zahira.
Yes.
Yes.
Fail mudariya mabni ala sakun.
No.
No.
So these were the options. Now, what is the name of the group that ends with noon in fail mudariya?
Second.
Mabni group, which could be the group number 3, or afalul khamsa, group number 2, or dama group.
Af'alul khamsa.
Afalul khamsa. Okay, number 7. Choose all the correct options. Fail mudariya sign of rafa could be indicated in different ways. Number 1, sign of rafa indicating by 4 ways.
No.
Dammatu zahira.
Yes. Yes.
Bihasfi harfi illa.
No.
Sabuti noon.
Yes.
Dammatul muqaddara.
Yes.
Sign of rafa indicating by 3 ways.
Yes. ये ऑप्शन क्लिक करना भूल गई
चलो और उसकी वजह से सारा रॉन्ग हो गया हाँ
यस
ओह माय गुडनेस
मेरी बेटी कहती मामा जी आपने ये तो क्लिक किया ही नहीं रॉन्ग तो होना ही था
Allahu Akbar. Okay, so number 8. Dammatul Muqaddara is fail mudariya can be seen only with first group. Dammatul Muqaddara in fail mudariya can be seen only with the first group and siga that ends with damma when verb is weak on last letter. True or false?
When
I
verb
think
is
True. This
true.
is true. It's true.
True.
Right? Because
Yes.
when
First.
Dammatul Muqaddara obviously gonna be seen in first group, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because and that when that gonna happen when the weak verb is weak basically on the last letter.
Wow, yeah, and
Yeah, so when
Ali.
the verb is ending on waw
Ali,
and ya,
Ali.
right? So then basically it is going to be Dammatul Muqaddara. Example we can remember what? Yardo, right?
Also, Ustada, because Dammatu Zahira, that's the only one when we can't see, right? That's we can
Yeah.
see, and the Muqaddara is we cannot see. So it can
Yeah.
only happen there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, number 9. Dammatul Muqaddara in fail mudariya can be seen with the falul khamsa when verb is weak at the end.
False.
false.
Yeah, that would be false, right? Okay. Now number 10. Tansurina, choose all the correct option for this verb. So Tansurina, we need to choose the right option. So Damir Muttasil bar is Yaul Mukhataba is file fi mahalli nasab.
False.
Ali,
Wrong.
Damir Muttasil bar is Yaul Mukhataba file fi mahalli rafa.
yes.
That
Yes.
is correct. Yeah.
That is the one. Okay. Fail mudariya marfu li annahu mabni. Tansurina can be mabni?
No.
No.
No, right? Fail mudariya marfu bi sabuti noon.
Yes.
No.
No?
Yes.
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 Oh, जी Tansurina जी.
So
Sorry.
we are picking all the options that can be
जी.
true for this verb,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it has noon. It is from noon group. It is from afalul khamsa. Okay,
Yeah.
ta is the sign of mudariya.
Yes.
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 Yes. Okay. I
You
didn't.
didn't choose that one.
What was the madul muqaddara in fil mudariya can be seen with first group. So that was true, right? Okay, let me go now. These are haruf nasibatul mudariya. An, lan, kay, lam, lamma, idhan, hatta.
No.
Or an, lan, li, in, lame, jahud.
No.
An, lan, likay, idhan, hatta, and fa sababiyya.
Yes.
Yes.
That is correct. Yeah.
Okay. An, lan, likay, idhan, these haruf nasibatul mudariya need an an after them to make fail mudariya mansub.
No. Not likai.
The rest of them need?
No.
No one need them.
No.
Okay. So no one over here need an because they are strong by themselves. So this is true. Need an an after them. So that should be false, yeah. Okay, number 13. Lan nasbira ala tu'amin wahidin. Choose all correct options about it. Lan is translated as did not. True?
No.
How do we translate lan?
Neighbor.
Will not.
Will never.
Never.
Will never. Yeah, will never. So that is basically referring to future. Which one refers to past? Like we can translate did not.
Lam.
Yeah,
Lam.
that would be lam. Yes. Okay. Sorry. No, that is by mistake. Okay. Is a power. Okay, so this one is a powerful tool. Basically, lan is a powerful tool of negation translated as will never.
Yes.
So this is the right option. It is called harfu istiqbal because it pushes the meaning into future.
Yes.
Okay. Fail mutaria is majzoom over here.
No.
That is wrong. Okay. Fail mutaria is mansoob here by removing noon.
No.
No.
Removing the ma.
Yeah, if we need to make it majzoom, that would be with sukoon. Over here it is mansoob right now, and the regular would be nasbiru, so that would be regular one. Okay, ala tu'amin wahidin is labeled as MBF here.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Ilamatu nasibatul mudariya are only two fathatul zahira. Only two, Fathatul Zahira and Hasfi Noon. Nasibatul Mutariya could be only Fathatul Zahira
False Ustada.
or
No,
Hasfi.
false.
Could be Fatatul Muqaddara too.
Muqaddara also is there.
Okay, so that is false. Afalul Khamsa, sign of Nasab and Jazm are Hasfi Noon only. With all kinds of verbs, Sahi or weak.
No.
Yeah. Yes.
No, it's true.
Yes.
Afalul Khamsa's group,
I proving
which is known group, right? So by removing the noon, we make nasab or majzoom,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Doesn't matter if the verb is weak or sahi,
Yes.
right, Abba? Yeah, so that is true. Okay, yarda, sign of being nasab of this verb is fathatu zahira or muqaddara?
Muqaddara. Because maksura, alif maksura.
Yes. So because we cannot give a haraka on alif maksura, so that's why we're gonna say this is basically fathatul muqaddara. Everyone is getting it right. Actually, I need to उस लिस्ट पे चले जाते जिसने जो रॉन्ग किया हुआ और फिर उससे पूछा जाता तो that was better, but anyway. Okay, now number 17, nansura, choose all the correct option about this verb, nansura. It is mansoob by fathatu zahira.
Yes.
Okay, good job. Damir is mustatir wujuban.
Yes.
Wujuban?
Mansuru.
Yes.
Yes, Ustad.
Damir is mustatir jawazan.
False.
No. Noon is a sign of mudariya in it.
No.
Yes.
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 Yeah. Noon is a sign of mudariya, and this is an example of fail mudariya marfu.
No.
No, mansoob.
No, that's not.
Yes. Okay, moving on. Antasumu khairul lakum. Choose all the correct option about this an. This an is translated as if.
No.
How do we translate?
To that.
Yes. So it's the second option. Translate as to or that. An plus fail is called masdar muawwal.
Yes.
Yes, that's correct.
An plus fail is Masdar Muawwal, it adds more details.
Yes.
An plus fail, Masdar Muawwal, is always nasab in status.
This made wrong. It's
No, it's false because it can be
It
any
it's
depends
other.
on the
wrong.
rule what fails on in the sentence.
Yeah, it is
Yes,
enough. Yeah,
In
Masdar
Muawwal.
Muawwal is an ism now, right?
in any sentence.
Yeah, so it depends what is before it, so it can play any role. So it is not only mansub. Okay, Masdar Muawwal can take any status,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that is the right one. Antasumu is beginning of Jumla Ismiya, and it is Mubtada fi mahalli rafa.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so if we see it as a beginning of the sentence, right, we are just taking itself. So antasumu, now since it is ism now, an plus fail mudariya, this is now ism, and this is ism is playing the role of being mubtada. Antasumu is jumla failya, and it is mafulun bihi.
No.
No.
Okay. Number 19, choose all the correct option for kai now. So kai is called harfu nasbin wa masdariyun wa istiqbal tufidu ta'lil, meaning
Yes.
it gives the meaning of ta'lil. So
Yeah.
this is the full job description of kai.
Okay.
It has the benefits of giving the reason why action happened.
Yes.
Okay. It turns fail mudariya into masdar muawwal with the help of hidden an after it.
Yes.
I think no, because we in
No, this one is wrong.
Kai,
yeah, in the previous one
Itself,
we
it's
checked that it doesn't need an.
yeah, kai,
Yeah, kai doesn't need an. It is strong enough by itself too.
yeah,
It's only hatta, right?
no,
No.
It really then
Li kai, all that.
then then wow, those.
yeah, they all need an, right? So
B
Kai,
is
kai
strong
doesn't.
enough,
an,
no need of an.
an,
Lan, kai, and isn't. They don't need.
yes,
Yes. Four.
an, kai, and is an. I
Four.
think I put by mistake li kai over there, right? In the previous somewhere, right?
No, Ustada, you didn't.
It was li kai before. Yes.
I think there were 4.
An, lan, kai, and isn't.
Isn't. No, that one was right.
Yeah, there was
Okay.
no likai, Ustada.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was questioned before.
I think in the first section.
Yes.
Yes.
In the first section, I think by mistake I put likai. Instead of likai, it should be kai only.
Yes.
Because you're gonna remember this way, and this is what I did. So any option with lam. So if we have kai by itself, then it is strong enough. But li or likai, right? So if we have these options, so whenever kai is with lam or just lam itself, then basically it is not strong enough. But the kai is the only one that is strong enough that does not need an. So what are the 4 one? An, lan, kai, and isn't.
Listen.
An, lan, kai, and isn't. Okay. So these are the 4 options which does not need an after them. Sorry, before them, right? And the rest of them, they need an. Okay, so it turns fail mudariya into masdar muawwal with the help of hidden an after it. So that would be wrong. Its masdar muawwal will be labeled as MBF because li harfu jar will be implied here.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter if the kai, we are not able to see lam over here, likai. It's not likai. right? But we are going to imply this li, and when it comes to labeling, we are going to label it as MBF. We discussed that in the class, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we need to remember that. Its masdar vowel will be labeled as MBK because li harfu jar will be implied.
No.
Because
But,
since it is always going to be with the fail, right? So it is going to be basically, when
F.
it comes to labeling, we are going to say it MBF, not MBK. Even though over there, if it is mubtada, right? But since it is related to fail, so if it is jar majroor, so then basically we are going to label it as
yeah,
MB.
Ustad, I made this one mistake. I was thinking as long it is Masdar Muawwal, so it can enter into Jumla Ismiya, then it will be MBK.
Yeah, no, because there is a fail, right? So when it comes to labeling,
It
then
affects.
we are going to always connect it with the fail, right? So then
Yes.
in that case, that would be MBF.
Even
Everyone
it is
is clear
before
what
fail.
we are talking about?
Yes.
Even it is before fail, right? It's still, right?
Yeah,
Try and then fail, right?
yeah, exactly.
Ah,
So
okay. No, I was my
if it
concept was
is
I thought.
kai plus fail mudariya, right? And that is so then basically we are going
It
to apply li over there. So
yeah.
we are going to take it as a likai.
Jar
And
Majrur
since
fail.
we are taking it as a likai, so now this is related to fail.
Okay. No, that was that's the one I made the mistake. I was thinking, okay, as long it is ism, Masdar Ma'al together, it is ism, so it can enter into Jumla Ismiya and failure. If it is failure, then MBF. It is Ismiya, then MBK.
Yeah, no, we discussed that example in the class. Okay, so now kai can be seen before an ism sometimes. Can we see kai before an ism?
No.
No.
It's always mudar.
Yeah, always going to be with fail mudariya. Okay.
Yes.
Now number.
एक क्वेश्चन उस्ताद है जिसके
कई
आपने बताया था कि कई का लेबलिंग हर्फ नसब व मस्दरिया, यानी ये भी इसी तरह है कि अन की तरह, कि जिस तरह अन प्लस मुदारिया फेल मुदारिया आएगा तो मस्दर मुअव्वल हो जाएगा, कई प्लस फेल मुदारिया हमारे लिए मस्दर मुअव्वल हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
बस ये.
Sarana kai nusabbiha ka kathira, right, Ustada?
Yeah. Yeah. And we are going to apply likai, right? Likai nusabbiha ka. We can look at the example.
For
We
the
can go to
meaning.
PDF after that, inshallah,
Ji.
if it is confusing. So number 20 now. Choose all the right option about about Lamu Talil and hidden an. So Lamul Talil is li and hidden an. So after this lam, there is an mudmara, which is hidden an.
Yes.
La nafiya will be visible after li when it is followed by hidden an mudmara.
Yes.
ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आया उस्ताद ये वाला.
Exactly. मुझे एक मिनट मैंने खुद बनाया and I'm confused now.
मैं
Okay,
पर गया था.
choose all the right option about Lamu Talil and hidden an.
Ustad, this one you actually give it in the clearly in the
La nafiya. Let me. Okay.
No, Ustad, this one you give it in your lecture clearly that it's saying that the Lamut Talil we said it can has an visible, sometimes it cannot have it doesn't have invisible. So the cause you give, like when it will be invisible, if we have la nafiya, then like lian la, like that.
La nafiya will be visible after li.
Yeah.
Li Allah. Yes.
Yeah, li Allah.
That's what
after
I was
li.
thinking too when I was
Like li an plus la something.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
then that one you give it in your PDF, this one.
See, my memory is so short. So, I must be thinking that example when I was making it.
And also like this one is very clearly written in the PDF on the about
Yeah.
when.
Yeah. So la nafiya will be visible after li when it is followed by an mudmara.
एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दे उस्ताद, मुझे ध्यान में नहीं है और मुझे समझ में भी नहीं
Okay,
आया।
we can go to PDF after, inshallah.
Yeah, Reshma, you can see this one because this saying like lamut talil, it can lamul jahud will always have an after it, and lamut
So
talil,
like there will be, it will be on the verb nasiba, and then after the verb there will be la.
yeah, no, like the thing was like two types of lam, like
Li.
lamul jahud and lamut talil. Jahud always will have an. And talil, sometime you can see the invisible, sometime an will not be visible. So when can be possible invisible? If there is la nafi after li.
Li alla yakunu
Yeah,
dulatam bainal aghniyai minkum,
yeah.
right? So we have some example. Inshallah,
Yeah,
we'll go.
لِأَلَّا يَكُونَ لِلنَّاسِ.
Yeah.
Ustaz,
So
here lana nafia is transferred to front, but actually it is anmudmara will be visible after it when it is followed by la nafia.
अभी मुझे भी
yes.
वही
Yeah.
unmudbarra will be visible if there is a la nahiya after the li.
Yeah. Yeah.
हाँ,
That
मैं
is
वैसा नहीं सोच रही थी।
yeah.
हाँ,
That is the
मैंने इसी तरह, क्योंकि अरबी से शुरू हो रहा है ना ला नाफिया, तो अनमुदबर्रा को मैंने लास्ट में पढ़ा तो समझ में नहीं
Actually,
आया।
sometimes Arabic letters sometimes displaced after English, so it is
और
confusion.
मुझे पॉइंट ध्यान में भी नहीं था जो अभी सिस्टर साजिदा बोल रहे थे कि अनमुदबर्रा जाहिर में कब आएगा, जब ला नाफिया होगा ली के साथ, तब अन बीच में आ जाएगा ताकि क्लियर हो सेंटेंस में। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरन।
Okay, then number 3 is unmudbara will always be hidden.
No.
Yeah.
Sometimes we can see that.
Exactly. So that sometimes it is visible. Okay. Wama khalaqtul jinna wal insa illa liya'budun. So liya'budun is not an example of lamutalil because it is mansub, fi'l mudari is mansub after it.
It is lamet alil. Ni is it's not there. Noon is not there.
Exactly, right? So this ni is basically nunul wakaya and ya mutakallim, right?
Yes.
So this is fi'l mudariya is mansub over here. Everyone got that?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उस्ताद, ये सही था।
What about other people?
I got only 3 wrong.
It's actually Ustada, only the writing is the little bit problem. So if someone doesn't have in their mind, then it's difficult to, like here, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ is not, and then we have to skip the Arabic
Okay,
word.
yeah, this is not was supposed to go with the mansoob after it or something. The writing messed up. When I was writing, I make sure that this is improper, but I don't know when I close that and then something is different.
So it will be like, is not an example of lamut ta'dil because liya'buda is not mansub after it. It could be like that. But anyway, I was able to read properly.
Is not example of lamutalil because
just
liyabuduni, liyabudun is not mansub after. Yeah, this is how we are supposed to read.
Yeah.
So this liyabudun was supposed to be in the next line with mansub after it, right? Yeah, but then it came up over there. Okay, anyway. Next one is فَوَلُّوا وُجُوهَكُمْ شَطْرَهُ لِأَلَّا. See example over here now.
Yeah.
لِأَلَّا يَكُونَ لِلنَّاسِ عَلَيْكُمْ حُجَّةً. So this is an example of hidden an after Lamu Talil,
Yes. La.
right?
Yes.
Ustaza,
Hmm?
I have a question here because here an is Zohiro. It is not
Yeah.
Mudmara.
Which
So
one?
why should we call it hidden? Because it is exposed. Li an. Here is an is.
Yeah, this is not hidden. This is present over here. So this is an example of hidden an. After that would be wrong.
Yes, I gave it wrong, but it showed correct in
Really?
answer. Yes, Ustaza. This is only wrong with me.
Really?
Yes,
Yeah, she is
Ustaza.
at 29.
So then I messed up with it. Yeah, so li Allah, no, we can see an over here, right? So li Allah yakuna linnasi alaykum hujjatan. Let me see. But we still have other. Okay.
Yes, second one is correct, Ustaza. Third one is wrong.
Third one is will always be hidden an. Yeah. So we have two right options here. Right?
Second one is right, Ustaza. Second one is right. See, correct.
La Nafia will always be visible after li. Okay.
It will be Ustaza. An-Mudmara will be visible after it when it is followed by La Nafia. The question is that.
Yeah.
It is correct, Ustaza.
Yes. Okay. And what else was right?
The last one, Ustad, is an example of hidden an.
Yeah.
Li Allah, there is an right there, right, Ustad?
Yeah. So I selected it, right? So these are the three options, right? Is an example of not hidden an. Okay.
Yeah, this is not hidden, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that was
But it is in answer it is showing correct, Ustaza.
Huh?
Last one in answer it is showing correct. Always hidden.
No.
I think it was supposed to this is an example of visible an. But
yes, I get. Don't select it. I have not selected, but in answer it is showing it is correct.
It is actually giving the example of visible an, but I think the
Okay, let me go to edit. Let me go to edit and see what did I do. Okay, so where was it?
20.
Which one?
20.
20.
So I have a question. Is An-Mudbara, meaning of An-Mudbara is hidden an?
It's not hidden. Unemployed.
Or maybe
Ustada,
implied.
If we do the second one correct and also this second last one, then they're contradicting, Ustada.
Okay.
Ustada, An-Mudbara doesn't mean that hidden an is implied an. So that's why
when we say a mudmara,
mudmara
means hidden.
Hidden or
implied? Sister Sajida.
Hidden or implied, same thing.
Yeah, Sister Sajida, implied also means hidden, right? Because we are assuming it is there.
Yeah.
It is implied.
Okay, so these are the option I picked. After this lam, there is
एक बताओ, आपका मतलब होगा शायद ये एग्जाम्पल है कि लाम के ली के बाद अन है, ये जो है ना उसका एग्जाम्पल, इसीलिए वो करेक्ट है। मेरा भी करेक्ट दिखाया, क्योंकि मैंने भी इसी तरह सोचा कि वो लामुल तालील के बाद अन है कर इम्प्लाई करने के लिए एग्जाम्पल ये वाला है।
Yeah, that's why it was correct for me too, because I didn't focus on hidden.
Yeah, it's an example of hidden an after Lamu Talil.
It should be visible.
के बाद अन है करके, तो इसीलिए
Ustada, there is an, right? Li, an, and then there comes la after it.
Yeah.
So these are both, there is zahir an, and then there is la after it. So the an here is not hidden.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, so that is my mistake over here.
So it should be visible an after Lam.
Yeah, it's visible one.
You know, I don't know if I was literally thinking that there should be like unwritten, and then we're gonna think that it is visible. Otherwise, okay, we will see in PDF.
No, Ustada, you are
how we
right,
do
because the second one, see, your second answer is exactly correct. Like Anmudmara will be visible after Li when it is followed by La Nafia. This is like Li
Yeah.
al
Mhm.
Yakuna. So
Yeah.
this is exactly same example what
Yeah.
the second one is saying.
Mhm. Yeah.
So this will not be hidden. This is, we will not check it. This is the Zahir An, not hidden.
Yeah. Is an example of
Visible.
So
So
Ustada, the last option just change the hidden to visible.
yeah.
Exactly.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Because ये जो है ना second option को ये बिल्कुल आपके option को बिल्कुल सही बता रहा है, like ये example है.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, anyway, so now we can move on to where we were.
Ustada, you are in the edit mode.
Yeah, so let me have your edit mode so I know what I did over here.
Okay.
So now we
21,
are
Ustada.
yeah, 21. Okay, so choose the list that has all fil mudari majzoom in lam lamma li, which could be lamul amar, wal fal, and la nahiya. And then we have in lam lamma li and la nahiya, in lam lamma fa sababiya, and la nahiya. Which one?
Use the list of that all fail mudare
Majzoom.
So in lam
Lamma,
first
La Nahiya. First
one.
In lam lamma
Lamma, La Nahiya.
Yes, first.
la nahiya. Yes. So the first is the one. Okay. Walam yaj'al lahu iwaja. This lam is called harfu nasbin wa nafin wa istiqbal.
Second one.
Second, Kalbin, Nafin wa Kalbin.
Because it won't go.
Majzoom.
Lamma is istiqbal, not this one lam.
Yes, because this one is translation go in the past, right?
Yes.
Walam yaj'al lahu iwaja, and he did not. Right? So this cannot be istiqbal. And anyway, it's not making it's mansub, rather it is making it majzoom. Right? So lam is called harfu jazmin wa nafin wa qalbin. Right? So jazmin because it is making it majzoom, nafin because it is doing negation, and qalbin it is changing. What it is changing?
Will.
It's changing from rafa to jazm, majzoom.
Yeah, mudare also it is changing it to as if like it's past.
Yeah, so it is changing actually. Mudare is supposed to be present tense or future tense, but it is changing into past tense. This is the qalb,
yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
This is the qalb. We're not gonna talk about its status, because we already saying that this is harfu jazmin.
Yeah.
Right? And nafin. So this qalbin over here meaning that it is changing the translation. Right? It is changing the meaning. It is taking it in the past tense. So that is qalbin mean. Okay, walam yaj'al lahu iwaja. Again, choose the correct options. Fail mudariya is mansoob bil lam wa ilamat jazmi sukun. Or mudariya majzoom bil lam and ilamat jazm is sukun.
Second one.
Second option, right? Okay. Yeah, okay. Then we have choose the correct options for lamma as a harf. So lamma as a harf, harfu nafin wa jazbin wa qalbin, or lamma ismiya zarfiya shartiya ghair jazim.
First one.
The first one, yeah.
So lamma could be harf and lamma could be ism. Right? So we need to remember that. When it is harf, then it is harfu nafin wa jazmin wa qalbin. But when it is ism, then it has a different job. It is ismiya, zarfiya, shartiya, and this shartiya is again the tool of shart can be jazim or ghair jazim. So this one is ghair jazim. Choose the correct option about fal yastajibu li wal yu'minu bi.
We cannot see anything.
Huh?
We cannot see. Oh, now I can see that.
Okay. Lam in the above example is lamu talil giving reason. Fal yastajibu li wal yu'minu bi. Or lam is lam in the above example is lamul amar suggesting and commanding.
Amar.
Fal, yeah.
Yeah. So fal yastajibu li. So they should respond to me. Wal yu'minu bi, and they should believe in me. Right? So this is suggesting and commanding.
Second.
Okay. Wala yukallimuhumullahu yawmal qiyamah. So above is the example of la nafiya or nahiya.
Nafiya. No change in the mudari.
Yes, right. So fi'l mudariya is intact. It is rafa in status, right? So that's why we're gonna say that this is la nafiya. If it was la nahiya, then what we should have seen?
Mudari change.
So madzum, not nasab.
Yukallima.
Yeah, yukallim.
It would have been yukallima.
Yukallim.
Yeah, jazima,
yukallim.
Yes, it should be madzum, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Wala takrabu zina. So now above is the example of la nahiya.
Nahiya. There is no noon.
There is no noon, hasfi noon.
Yeah, so this is fe'lun mudari'un madzumun bi hasfi noon.
Yeah.
Right? So since this is madzum, so that's why we're gonna say this is la nahiya, because this is a forbidding. Do not even go close to zina. Choose all that is correct about in harfu jazima to lil mudariya. So now we are talking about in. It is translated as if.
Yes.
It starts jumla ismiya.
No.
It starts jumla shartiya, a conditional statement, if and then situation.
Yes.
It has power to make two fi'l mudariya madzum.
Yes.
And it is translated as so that.
No.
If and then.
Okay. Then we have in tansurullaha yansurkum. In is harfu shart tajzim of fi'lain.
Yes.
In is ismu shart tajzim of fi'lain here.
Is
hurf.
No.
It's not this.
No, because it is making both of them jazm, so it is not.
No.
Yes.
It's not is hurf.
In any is not ism.
Yes.
It is hard because it is making
So
them.
that is the first option we are going to pick, okay? Because in is not an ism. That was the question basically about. Okay, now we can see the option. So tansuru is fi'l mudariya madsum bi hasfi noon li'annahu min af'alul khamsa.
Yes, noon is gone.
The lafzul jalala is maf'ulun bihi li tansuru.
Yes.
It has a fatha.
Yes. And yansurkum is fi'lun mudari madzumun bisakun, and kum is the maf'ulun bihi.
Yes.
And yansurkum fi'l mudariya is madzum bi hasfi noon, and kum is maf'ulun bihi.
No.
Okay, good. Because this is a group that is going to end on dhamma. So their nasab is with fatha and their majzoom is with sukoon. Right? This is the first group. Last, wala tamshi fil ardi maraha. So now fail mudariya majzoom bi hazfi noon li'annahu min afalul khamsa. Yes or?
Yes.
No.
No.
No,
Mudari
sir.
majzoom
No.
The second one is the answer, yeah.
فعل مضارع مجزوم بحذف حرف إلا لأنه فعل معطل. مضارع is مجزوم بسكون لأنه فعل معطل. So which one?
Second one.
What does he ask?
مجزوم بحدود حرف الله.
ولا تمشي في الأرض مرحا.
Yeah, so this ya at the end, which is the last root letter, is being dropped. Because
Masha
that's
Yamchi.
a weak letter, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So فعل مضارع is مجزوم بحذف
حذف
حرف
حرف
إلا
Arfilla.
لأنه فعل معطل. Right? So that is the middle option is the right
Correct
option.
answer.
Okay. So that one, and now look at the responses over here. So range is 14 to 29 points. Median is 25 to 30. Average is 23. And frequently missed questions were Antasumu khairul lakum, which is number 8. And choose all the correct option for K. Subhanallah, 6 out of 16. And then choose all the right options about Lamutalil and Hidanan. So that was also a tricky one. Okay, then we have marks over here. And then we have...
Who got 30 out of 30?
who is this
Ustada.
genius?
Ustada.
No, even I made a mistake.
Husne Ara Begum, she got 29, mashallah.
Mashallah, she is pro. Okay, so that was it. And you want to go to PDF?
Ustada, I didn't attempt, sorry.
So why you were here? You need to attempt now, okay? At least.
Inshallah.
Ustaza, your PDF is so nice PDF, Ustaza. I read it again and again, and so it helped me.
Alhamdulillah.
PDF is very, alhamdulillah, very nice PDF. Mashallah.
Alhamdulillah. So we were talking about where is this gay business? So Lamut Talil.
ustaza चला गया इससे पहले चला हाँ ये वाला
With Lamut Talil and Lamut
with
Lamar.
mudmarra से था ना ustaza mudmarra
This one? Lamul Jazima.
नहीं ये नहीं mudmarra ना ustaza ली के
किधर?
साथ
कहाँ पे था?
ऊपर यही देखा था मैंने वही
ये तो लम्मा है.
मैं अपना PDF देखती हूँ ustaza देखकर बताती हूँ इंशाल्लाह
If you just go through the PDF, we have lot of.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुझे अगर आप ली ان مدمرہ کا لی کے بعد کا سمجھانا چاہتے تو سمجھ میں آ گیا استاد ابھی. یعنی لام التعلیل کے بعد ان مدمرہ ہمیشہ چھپا رہتا ہے، لیکن جب لا ناہیہ آتا ہے یعنی نیگیشن والا تو تب اے ظاہرت میں آ جاتا ہے تاکہ کنفیوژن نہ ہو لی اور لا میں.
یا
سمجھ میں آ گیا استاد مجھے. وہ ایک کیس ہوتا ہے جب ان مدمرہ ہڈن نہیں بلکہ ظاہر ہو جاتا ہے. قرآن میں ہے بھی ایک سے 2-3 جگہ میں نے دیکھا ہے مگر غور نہیں
At
کیا.
the end
اب سمجھ میں آ
استاد
گیا استاد الحمدللہ.
آئی ڈونٹ نو کہاں پہ کون سا ہے پی ڈی. یہ تو آگے
کمپیریزن لام التعلیل، لام التعلیل، لام الجہود شاید اس میں ہوگا. کوئی بات نہیں استاد مجھے سمجھ میں آ گیا ابھی الحمدللہ.
Yeah, it's time now. So inshallah, we can end over here. Barakallahu li wa lakum fil Qur'anil Hakim wa nafani wa iyyakum bi ayati wa zikril hakim. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifuna wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.